What's going on, guys? Back with another video on the Prelude, and I got some goodies today that's actually going to be kind of crazy. Well, not really crazy, but there's just some things that the car needs in order to be a comfortable daily driver, even though I don't daily drive the car. So I think let's get into it, and I'll show you guys what I have here. So I got myself a window regulator for the driver's side, because you know we have some problems with rolling down that window. And obviously we got two speakers here for both driver's side low end, because those ones were giving us some problems. And I also got us a little kit for the hood prop, because that bounces around in the engine bay while driving. You can hear it and it starts clicking. So we're probably not going to cover everything in this video. I think what we're going to do right now is try to attack that door panel, because we're going to have to get everything off in order to get the window down, in order to do all that. And that's going to be a whole process. So let me see if I can set up here. I don't even have the keys for the car. Oh my goodness. I don't know how I expected to do this without the keys. But yeah, let me know if you guys like any of these videos. Like, comment, subscribe as we get into it, and leave a comment down below. But yeah, let me go get the keys and we're going to hop right back into this. So, a lot of you guys don't know, but let me show you. If I try to turn on the car and roll down this window, sounds like a shotgun going off in my car. So, what I have to do is I'm going to have to figure out how I'm going to, I don't know why it stopped recording, but I have to roll it down enough in order to get at the regulator assembly and everything underneath the door panel. And that within itself is going to be quite a job. So I'm supposed to have my brother out here with me to help me record and do some stuff. I don't know if that's gonna happen, but I'll get some time-lapse stuff for you guys so you can see what I have to work with here. There's a whole bunch of write-ups already about how to take the door panel off and how to replace the regulator. I'm not gonna get into that. You guys are here for the vibes. Also, we're releasing an album real soon. Millie just sent me over one of the tracks for the first mix. Everything sounded pretty good. I sent him some reviews on what I think needs to be changed. And once we get through that, we'll be on to the next track. It's supposed to be about 7 tracks in length, no more than like 30 minutes. And yeah, let me turn this off before I wear out the battery. But stay tuned for even more. Let me get this door panel off. All right, guys. So I got the door panel off here. That plug is a disaster. I'm not even gonna try and plug it out. I shouldn't need to anyways, because I'm trying to get the regulator out. But the door panel is pretty easy. Just a couple of screws around the speaker, and then 2 screws up at the top in the middle of the door. Also, I noticed that somebody's been in here before, because the watershed is missing. I mean, that makes it easier for me to get this stuff out of here. I need to get my ratchet set and get to wrenching on the regulator. Excuse me while I go find where I put my sockets. All right, so as you can see, the window's up, meaning the installation was partially a success. One thing to note of this Amazon window regulator, you can see it right there. The arm that they give you does not work. This arm specifically. So I had to get a hammer and bend this to release it and put it in the old arm in order for that to work. Everything else is new. Everything fits and everything works. We'll see how long it lasts. But next video, we're gonna do the speakers for this and the hood prop. But for now, I think I'm gonna call it there. So if you guys like this video, like, comment, subscribe. Especially leave a comment. We got new music coming soon, and see you later. What's going on, y'all? Thank you guys for watching this episode in season 2 of the vlogs. Before you get gone, we got new merch on our Amazon shop. We have hoodies, we got t-shirts, we got everything you can think of on there. Go and take a look at it. Links down below. We also dropping music constantly. And when you see it, it's also going to be on the channel. You can also see it on Spotify, Apple Music, anywhere you think of. Anything with DSPs, bro. And thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace.
You just had a word, kid, do not disturb, won't talk to your friends. Whenever I enter your city, you would've thought I was at home. Drop the Addy, I send you the keys, got me as the screen in your phone. I don't got time for the back and forth look, girl, I got money to make. By the time I'm finished here, they gon' mortalize me in my city like Tay. Call me when you see me.